In this video, I'll tell you about what is WordPad. So children, let us start with the introduction of MS WordPad, or we can simply call it as a WordPad program. Clear? Now, the question is, what is this WordPad, what it is used for, and who has developed this, and how it looks like when we open this WordPad in our computer system. Clear? So this WordPad is basic word processor. It's actually a word processor or word processing software that is used for typing text. Now question is, what is this word processor? What does it mean? Children, you should remember that word processor is an application software that is used for typing text. Function of the word processor is to type text. टेक्स्ट को हम टाइप करते हैं, लेकिन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वर्ड प्रोसेसर वी आर एबल टू टाइप द टेक्स्ट इन आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, एंड दिस वर्ड पैड इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस वर्ड प्रोसेसर. क्लियर? नाउ वेयर डज दिस वर्ड प्रोसेसर कम अप? दिस कम्स इन द all versions of Microsoft Windows operating systems. As I have already told you about in the previous lecture, that we have mainly two types of softwares. First one is system software and second one is application software. System software is that software that is used to run the whole computer system, and this application software or this WordPad comes with the Microsoft Windows operating systems. Clear? WordPad is actually an application software that comes inbuilt with the Microsoft ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स. ये वर्डपैड खुद एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है, लेकिन किसके साथ आता है, मतलब किस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के साथ है? जो विंडोज़ के जितने भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स है उनमें ये वर्डपैड आता ही आता है, इनबिल्ट होता है, उसके साथ ही होता है. ठीक है? तो आपने एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू शुड रिमेंबर रिलेटेड टू दिस वर्डपैड दैट इट्स एन एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर टाइपिंग टेक्स्ट. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, in WordPad there are many features that are available. I mean, there are different types of features that are available in this WordPad, with the help of which we can make our text decorative, we can change our text style, we can change our text size. Whatever we have written, we can format it, we can make it beautiful through different features that are present in the WordPad. जो भी WordPad में हम टाइप करते हैं, कुछ भी टेक्स्ट जो लिखते हैं, हम उससे क्या, उसका फॉन्ट स्टाइल, उसका फॉन्ट कलर, उसका फॉन्ट साइज चेंज कर सकते हैं. डिफरेंट फीचर्स है. और उस टेक्स्ट को हम बोल्ड भी रख सकते हैं, बोल्ड भी कर सकते हैं, इटैलिक भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, या हम उस टेक्स्ट की अलाइनमेंट भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. अलाइनमेंट मीन्स वी कैन मेक आवर टेक्स्ट टू बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड और इन द सेंटर पोजिशन. क्लियर? Now I'll tell you about the steps of how this WordPad is opened on a computer system. Certain steps you need to follow. The first step you need to follow to open a Microsoft WordPad or simply WordPad window on your computer system is to click on the start button. Then after that, once you click on the start button, a start menu will appear, and from that you have to select the all programs. Then after that we have to select the third step we have to do to click on the accessories. Clear? तो पहला स्टेप क्या है? स्टार्ट बटन पे क्लिक करना है. सेकेंड वन इज ऑल प्रोग्राम्स पे क्लिक करना है. थर्ड वन इज टू क्लिक ऑन द एक्सेसरीज, एंड आफ्टर क्लिकिंग द एक्सेसरीज you will get a list of options over there, and among them you will find a WordPad over there, and to open this WordPad you have to click on that. That is the number 4th step. And once you click on the WordPad, you will get a WordPad window, and that looks like this. As you are able to see on the screen, this type of window you will get on your computer screen. Now we will discuss about different types of WordPad components or WordPad window components. As you are able to see this window, now I'll show you the practical demonstration how this WordPad window is open on your computer system. Clear? I'll be minimizing it. Now one more way is there to open this WordPad window is just type on this, click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, just type WordPad, WORD WordPad. See, you will get a list over there, and among them is the WordPad, and you have to click on the WordPad. Once you click on the WordPad, you will get a WordPad window like this. And here there are different components that are available in this WordPad window. We will discuss them one by one. Clear? The first component that is there on your computer screen, WordPad screen or WordPad window, is the title bar. Here it is. The topmost bar is called the title bar. And what is the function of this title bar? टाइटल बार हम किससे कहते हैं? जो टॉप मोस्ट बार है, जहाँ पे माउस का कर्सर मैं अभी यहाँ पे शो कर रहा हूँ, तो इससे हम क्या कहते हैं? दैट वी कॉल एज ए टाइटल बार. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस टाइटल बार? इट डिस्प्लेज द नेम ऑफ द डिस्प्ले डॉक्यूमेंट. दैट मीन जो हमारे पास अभी कंप्यूटर सिस्टम पे जो ऑन डॉक्यूमेंट है, जो हमारे पास ओपन कोई डॉक्यूमेंट है स्क्रीन पे, तो उससे हम क्या कहते हैं? उसका नाम ये बताता है. ठीक है, टाइटल ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट. Clear? After that we have got file, home and view tab. These three we call as tabs. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? tabs कहते हैं. Clear? जैसे हमारे पास फाइल टैब है, फाइल टैब के रिलेटेड जितने भी ऑप्शंस है वो यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे इन बैक स्टेज व्यू. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव गॉट होम टैब इज देयर. इन होम टैब वी हैव गॉट नंबर ऑफ कमांड्स लाइक फॉन्ट, style, paragraph, like these things you are able to see on your screen. This is called the home tab. And after that we have got the view tab as well. Once clicking on the view tab, you will get these options like zoom in, zoom out, status bar, like all these things. Clear? Now I'll tell you about quick access toolbar. See, first of all let me write something over here. I'll be writing class 3rd C. Clear? So I'll be making it bold a bit. I'll make the size of the text a bigger one. So this is, I have written over here class 3rd C. Now I want to now I'll tell you about the functions of the quick access toolbar. Children, this one, save, this is called undo, this is called a redo. These three functions or three commands we call them as quick access toolbar commands. They fall in a toolbar that we call as quick access toolbar. And in quick access toolbar, you should remember we have got three types of commands. One is save. As the name suggests, to save a document you have to click on the save button. Clear? Now second command is undo. What is the function of this undo? Undo is that command that reverses the previous section. So the previous section I have done is I have written over here class 3rd C. If I will be clicking on this undo, it will get reverse, or it will last action I performed is I have increased the font size. If I am clicking on this undo button C. So this is the reversing of previous section, and redo does the opposite of undo. Clear? See, if I am clicking on redo, it will increase the size of that. So that was the last action that I have performed. Clear? After that is these ribbons, we call them. See, if you are able to see in here, it is font, paragraph, insert, editing. These we call as ribbons, and in these ribbons group of related commands are there. Like font related all commands are there in this area that we call as font ribbon. Paragraph related commands are over here that we call as paragraph ribbon, and same is here different types of commands related to the insert that we call as ribbon tab. Clear? So these are called a ribbon. Ribbon is basically the group of related commands. After that we have got the file tab. We will discuss about the file tab, what it is all about. Clear? So file tab, once clicking on the file tab, I'll get a backstage view like this, a menu jai. Clear? Here I am getting the option of new, open, save, save as, print, like all these things. So what is the function of new? If I am clicking on the new option, I'll be getting the new blank document. Clear? After that, if I click on the open option, I'll be able to open the already existing files that have been made in the WordPad earlier. जो पहले ऑलरेडी बनाई हुई उनमें से मैं कोई भी ओपन कर सकता हूँ फाइल. उसको मैं यहाँ से किस पे क्लिक करके, ओपन पे क्लिक करके. फिर उसके बाद सेव. एज द नेम सजेस्ट, सेव इज यूज्ड फॉर सेविंग ए डॉक्यूमेंट. Clear? Save as is used for to make another copy of the same thing, but you can modify it with some other text. Clear? Then print is used for making printing your document whatever you have written. Similarly, exit, all these things are there, you can use them. I request everyone of you to do practicals if you are having your computer system, and if you find any difficulty, please let me know. I'll help you out.